What is up, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Comment if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Good morning, or good afternoon, or good night whenever you're watching. Here at my house, it is early morning, about 5 o'clock. But want to get this video in before I head out to work for the day. Just to give you guys a tip, and that tip is try to get more than one platform. If you put all your eggs into one basket, something happens. Could be bad. Not what this video is about. I just wanted to share with you some few things I picked up while I was out doing retail arbitrage for Amazon FBA. So I guess it sort of is about not putting your eggs in one basket, because I'm going to tell you how I picked up some things for eBay and why I picked up some things for eBay while I was doing RA for Amazon. So eggs in two different baskets, eBay and Amazon. So without any more unclear openers from me, let's just get right into it. I'm going to show you some shirts that I picked up that I'm going to sell on eBay. Thomas Pink is the name. Thomas Pink is the name of the brand that I picked up. And from selling a lot of clothing on eBay, I knew that Thomas Pink was a good brand. So while I was looking through the clothing racks for things like Under Armour and Adidas, North Face, things that I'm ungated in to sell on Amazon FBA, I noticed some of these items that are not for sale on FBA. And I said to myself, I think these can make me some money. Let's check out and see. So that's what I did. Put out the eBay app, checked it, and sure enough, looks like there's some profit to be made there. So I'll show you a few of the tags and what I expect to get for them. Picked up 6 of them, different sizes. There's one that's like a 15, 34, 35, and then, the other ones are 16s in the neck, or 17s or 18s. So one medium, and then like a couple large, and then the rest are like extra large to extra large, which are nice sizes to sell. So I'll just show you a few different kinds real quick. I'm not going to go through every one. I'll just show you what the brand looks like. There's a few different tags. Here's one tag here. There we go. Pink is what it says, if you can see it there. Yep. Thomas Pink right there. This is a classic fit. They were originally $30 at TJ Maxx. They had them on sale for $24. This would have still been a decent deal for $30. But I found them on the clearance rack. Here's the tag here. Now this one doesn't have the actual manufacturer suggested price on it, the MSRP, so I'll grab one that does real quick. Well, that was a standard cuff too, by the way. Quite a few of these are French cuffs. So French cuffs are going to do better, I think, in sales for some reason. They normally do. Here's another tag right here, how this one looks, pink, so keep a lookout for that, the thrift stores, wherever you're at. Same thing, $24. And this tag is right here. It's a smaller tag too, just like that. And then here's the MSRP of this one on the back, $185. So, keep in mind that just because it says $185 new, the odds of paying that even brand new are probably unlikely depending on where you get it. I'm certainly not going to get that much out of it on eBay. And then here's one, and here's one. Oh, here's an interesting one. I got a few pink ones like this, and this one is a super fine two-fold 170s, but for some reason the MSRP on this one was $350. Yikes! So I doubt that we're going to get anywhere near that, or I don't even know why this one costs so much more than the other ones. It's a smaller size. It's still cotton, French cuff. So I'm not sure what would dictate a higher price, out of that. But some of the things you got to look out for, like I just noticed as well, is there'll be little tiny holes from where somebody punched a you can't even really see it. Somebody had punched a tag through it back here. So I'll mark that, but it's covered up by the collar for the most part. So I don't think that's going to be a big deal. Trying to get you one with a newer tag here. Yeah, here we go. Here's one Same tag we've seen before, but the actual, that's the label rather, same label, but the actual tag comes with, looks like this. And this was $185, and then it's got a $70, so it was marked down to 70 at some point somewhere. I don't know why that's not focusing. There we go. Right. So there's the shirts, Thomas Pink. And why did I decide to pick those up and not hundreds of the other shirts they had out there? Well, let's check it out. We're here, the desktop view, pull it up. So we're going to look at Thomas Pink dress shirt, and this is the same thing you would do if you were out in the store. You just pull up the eBay app, search it the same way, Thomas Pink dress shirt. Here's all the ones that are new with tags. There's 400 something listings, and you can see we have tags like this, and the price that they're going for, right? So anywhere between 60, 55 plus the $5 shipping, 80, 60, 60, like 80 right here. Okay. So they're going for a pretty high price. I mean, some of them are like 35, 40 bucks, but there's more of them, I think, that are going for the higher price. So then we'll look at the solds to see if they're actually selling for a higher price. So we'll click on sold. And here we go. Here's the sold listings. And this is really why I picked these up. I've sold a few like this before. That I've picked up at TJ Maxx, paid 30 bucks for or so, and sold them for 60, 70. So that's my plan here, because like this one went for 80, these ones went for lower, but this one went for best offer, but they had it listed at 80 plus shipping, so I don't know what the best offer was, but I'm sure it wasn't real low, maybe, I don't know. But this one went for 80 right here, 75, 80, 90, okay? So same sort of style tags, you know, 70-ish. And this one went for lower, but you can get the idea, right? A lot of these are selling between the $60 and $70 range. Okay, sometimes people are getting 80 for them, so I think it probably just depends. But I'm going to try to sell mine for $70. So I got 6 of them. So this is a website called finalfeecalc.com. Calculates the fees from eBay sales and what your potential profit is. So $24 is what we paid. $5 for shipping. I am going to offer free shipping. It's probably going to be a little bit less than that. First class. Item cost was 24. Oh no, I'm sorry. Sold price. We're going to try to get it for 70. Item price 24. I do have an eBay store. Unfortunately, top rated seller would have given us a few extra pennies there, about 60 cents or so. But I lost my top rated seller status when I failed to take down some inventory that I'd sold on another platform, and somebody tried to buy like 6 of the same thing, and it dinged me. So be wary of that. So anyway, we're selling for 70, paid 24 for them, so that's about $32 profit on each shirt, right? Dress shirts are always in season. People are always going to want to buy dress shirts. Even if we sold them for 60, we're still going to make $23.24 on those. So we got 6 of them, so we'll average it out. We'll say $30 times 6. It's $180 profit, right? So that's why I picked those up, because you can. I believe that I can make some money on them, right? So don't cut yourself short. If you're out there looking for retail arbitrage items for Amazon FBA, don't be afraid to pick up a few things too. You know, that could go on another platform like Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, something like that. For me, I do mostly FBA because it's a lot more efficient for me to scan items, check and make sure the listing's right, send them in, let Amazon deal with it. It's a lot easier than trying to get these, iron them out, steam them out or whatever, stage them, take a picture of them, describe them, list them. It just takes a lot of time for me. But with something like these, where you can potentially, you know, make $30 a piece and you can get 6 of them, you know, I'll take a couple hours one day and get them up, get them listed, and hopefully sell them and get some good money out of it. So that's my tip: is don't cut yourself short on platforms that you sell on. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Keep an eye out for things that could still sell on eBay, even though you're looking for Amazon stuff. Yeah, and that way, you know, you'll keep the money coming in. So, thanks for checking in. I got to get going to my real job now, which is going to be good. It's going to be a good day. I'm going to do some sourcing afterwards tomorrow. Me and my wife are going to head out of town, do some sourcing out of town, and hopefully we get some good stuff there. So thanks for stopping by, and I hope everybody has a great day, evening, afternoon, whatever it is you're watching. Thanks for checking me out, and have a great time making money. Adios.